Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to handle duplicate insertions into a SQLite database using the SQLAlchemy library in Python. Duplicate insertions occur when you attempt to add a record with the same primary key or unique constraint as an existing record. We will demonstrate how to detect and manage these situations gracefully. Before we start, make sure you have the following tools and libraries installed. Python, you'll need Python installed on your system. You can download it from the official website, Python Downloads. SQLite, SQLite is a lightweight, serverless database engine. It's included with Python by default, so you don't need to install it separately. SQLAlchemy, to interact with the SQLite database, you need to install the SQLAlchemy library. You can do this using pip. In this example, we will create a simple SQLite database with a single table to store user information. The table will have a primary key based on the user's ID, ensuring that each user's ID is unique. To insert data into the database while handling duplicates, you can follow these steps. Here's an example of how to do this. In this code, when a duplicate insertion is detected, the integrity error exception is caught. The session.rollback call is used to undo the transaction, and you can customize the error handling code as needed. In this tutorial, we've explored how to handle duplicate insertions in a SQLite database using the SQLAlchemy library in Python. By catching integrity error exceptions, you can gracefully manage duplicate entries and decide on the appropriate action to take. This technique is useful for maintaining data integrity and avoiding data duplication in your database. ChatGPT